Yeah, welcome back. Now that we have done all the interface preparations, we now want to get into the real coding so that we can get this our project to function. Now, the first thing we want to do, the name of this thing, when you click on it and you come to this place, the name is CM. Now, what I'm going to do is that when I click, this object is actually the one responsible for browsing for files. It will open a dialog box, a common dialog box where you can select a file. This is the one that is responsible for that. This one is the one responsible for playing the movie that we have selected. So if I click on this and I say open, so if I'm clicking on it now, I want, at that event of clicking on this open, I want this one to open a dialog box for me where I can select my file. So let me go over it again. When I click on this open, I want this one to actually open a dialog box where I can select a file to play. So when I click here and I select this one, open, it will take me to the window where I can actually write my code. Now, when you are writing your code, the first line you have to write is on error, resume next. This is an error handler. In case your program encounters an error, it will not crash the program, it will just go to the next line of code. Now, after I've done that, now let me now write a program that will make the WM, that is the object. Look at it. If I'm going back to this object now, click here. So when I click here, look at this one is CM, the name of this object. So the moment I click on this open, I'm going to have this one as CM dot show open. You can see, so CM dot show open. So let's look at the way this will function. If I come in here and I click on open, you will see that it will open a dialog box for me where I can possibly select a file I want to play. So if I select this and I go to possibly a place where, and I select this file, so it is not playing yet. The only thing I've just programmed is that it will give me a dialog box where I can select the name of the file that wants to play. So let's now write a code that will now make it play after I've selected the file. So thank you. Let's see that in the next class.